Hi everyone, my name is Lisa Kerr, and the reason why I chose now to pursue an MSW is because I've been working on it for probably 2 years now, and I've kind of been pushing it off and waiting, thinking that I would need more experience in the field. And last year was the year I finally pushed myself to finish my application and apply. So with that being said, I just felt like now is the best time to go. I've gained about 4 years of experience in the field now in my current position as a permanency caseworker. So I felt as though getting my MSW was the next logical step in terms of my professional development and growth, and academic growth and development too. Thank you.